Hello everyone, so we are in the Ready Player Me sample for XR. You can see it is just integrated with the final IK and character are looking really amazing. What I have done, I have added few mirrors so that we can see the poses, and I have worked on the meta movement SDK as well as on final IK. So I'm going to see that how it is. So here you can see this was earlier problem, so here it is also exists, and we will also review that what have been done, how it have been done. But character is looking really great, so especially Ready Player Me have designed a particular character for XR. So these are the XR specific, they have designed the character. Here you can see movement is looking really great, so I can appreciate them because left and right movement is really great. And if I am talking about in terms of hands, so you can see if in real world I am doing my hands, so it is almost a close but not that much close, but it is okay, you can say. And in terms of, let's suppose I'm just touching my head, so I have touched my head, so here you can see, so it is not that much accurate, but is compared to earlier it is really great. Movement of hand is also great. Okay, so you can see. And if we are in the combat game, and if I am just doing push-ups kind of thing, or just I am taking any pose, so in terms of leg movement it is not that much good, but yeah, my hips are getting bent, but my leg is not getting turned if I am in the that position. And we can also change the character here. Okay, you can see in my different direction. So in terms of final, I can meta movement SDK, so movement SDK is really better, but it is also better if you are not taking care of lower body. So upper body is really great, I can appreciate it, but in the meta movement upper body and lower body is much more better. But for the multiplayer, final icon is best because you have to just sync the head and hands, and then locomotion stuff is directly synced.